Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're stepping into the future with AI gadgets. From smart assistants to mind-blowing AI tech, here are 15 cool AI gadgets that will upgrade your everyday life. So let's dive in. Introducing the PLAUD Note Voice Recorder, a cutting-edge audio recording device equipped with advanced AI technology. This sleek and compact recorder comes with a protective case and features seamless app control, making it perfect for capturing lectures, meetings, and calls. With the ability to transcribe and summarize audio in real time, it supports 112 languages, ensuring versatility for a global audience. The 64 gigabytes of built-in memory provides ample storage for hours of high-quality recording, while the AI-powered transcriptions help users quickly digest key points. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone in need of reliable voice recording, the PLAUD Note is your ideal tool for efficiency and organization. Introducing the H1E 8-in-1 USB-C Docking Station, a powerful all-in-one solution designed to enhance your workspace. This versatile docking station combines an AI-powered voice recorder with advanced transcription and summary features, making it perfect for capturing meetings, lectures, or calls. It also supports a 4K HDMI monitor output, providing exceptional video quality, and offers a 1 gigabit per second Ethernet connection for fast, reliable internet. With multiple 5 gigabits per second USB-A/C ports and integrated audio support, it ensures seamless connectivity for all your devices. Compatible with both Windows and Mac, the H1E Docking Station is an essential tool for boosting productivity, whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go. Introducing the CheerDots 2 Bluetooth Detachable Air Mouse, an innovative and versatile tool designed to enhance your presentations. This all-in-one device combines a touchpad mouse with a voice recorder, making it perfect for seamless navigation and hands-free recording. It features a wireless presenter clicker with a built-in laser pointer, allowing you to effortlessly control your presentations, whether you're using a Mac or Windows device. The Bluetooth connectivity ensures easy pairing, while the detachable design offers convenient portability for on-the-go use. Ideal for professionals, educators, and anyone who needs a reliable, multifunctional presentation tool, the CheerDots 2 is your ultimate companion for engaging and interactive presentations. The Viture Pro XR/AR glasses deliver an extraordinary visual experience with a massive 135-inch 120Hz ultra clarity display boasting over 1,000 nits of perceived brightness for vivid, lifelike images. Designed with myopia adjustments and advanced electrochromic film, they provide complete immersion for a variety of uses, from entertainment to productivity. The Harman engineered audio enhances the audio experience, while the SGSA Plus Eye Care certification ensures comfort for long viewing sessions. With multi-device support, these glasses redefine portable entertainment, offering the perfect combination of cutting-edge technology, comfort, and versatility for both work and play. Introducing the PLAUD NotePin Voice Recorder, the ultimate AI-powered tool for seamless audio recording and transcription. With app control and advanced AI note-taking capabilities, this device efficiently captures lectures, meetings, and other important audio moments. It features real-time transcription and summarization, supporting 112 languages, making it incredibly versatile for a global audience. The built-in 64 gigabyte memory provides ample storage for hours of high-quality recordings, while the AI-driven technology helps you stay organized by automatically summarizing key points. Ideal for students, professionals, and anyone in need of efficient audio recording, the PLAUD NotePin is your perfect companion for enhanced productivity and ease. Eilik is the ultimate interactive robot pet that brings fun and companionship to life. With a wide range of emotions and touch-based reactions, Eilik responds to your interactions in the most delightful ways, making each moment feel unique. It comes with exciting mini games to keep you entertained and even connects with other Eiliks for chats, play, and party time, allowing for a social, interactive experience. Plus, with regular firmware updates, Eilik continues to evolve and surprise you with new features. Whether for kids or tech enthusiasts, Eilik makes the perfect gift that's full of fun, friendship, and endless possibilities. Introducing the Rabbit R1 Voice-Activated AI Assistant, a versatile all-in-one tool designed to enhance productivity and learning. With no subscription fees, the Rabbit R1 acts as an AI-powered study aid, meeting assistant, voice recorder, and transcription tool, helping you stay organized and efficient. Its magic camera feature adds an extra layer of convenience, while its transcription and summarization capabilities ensure that you never miss a detail. The Rabbit R1 supports over 100 languages for seamless translation, making it perfect for global communication. Whether you're studying, attending meetings, or simply need an AI-powered assistant, the Rabbit R1 is the ultimate solution to make your tasks easier and more efficient. The EMEET Meeting Capsule Pro Room Kit is the ultimate solution for high-quality video conferences. Equipped with dual 4K lenses and 360-degree auto-tracking speakers, it ensures crystal-clear video and sound for every participant. Featuring 10 built-in microphones and a 10-watt speaker, the kit delivers exceptional audio clarity, capturing every voice in the room. The 1080p co-webcam provides precise whiteboard detection and correction, making it perfect for collaborative sessions. Designed to accommodate up to 10 people, the EMEET Meeting Capsule Pro offers an immersive, professional-grade experience for meetings, presentations, and remote collaboration. The Smart Ring is your ultimate wearable health companion, designed to track sleep, stress levels, and heart rate with precision. Featuring a convenient sizing kit to ensure the perfect fit before you buy, it offers a comfortable and stylish way to monitor your well-being. With up to 5 to 7 days of battery life and a wireless charging case, the Ring is built for convenience and long-term use. There's no app subscription required, and it's compatible with both iOS and Android devices, giving you seamless access to your health data. Perfect for anyone looking to track their wellness effortlessly, the Smart Ring combines advanced technology with everyday usability. The Timekettle W4 Pro AI Interpreter Earbuds are the ultimate tool for seamless communication across languages. With bidirectional simultaneous translation, these earbuds support up to 40 languages, making them perfect for international calls, video translations, and real-time conversations. Whether you're traveling, conducting business, or learning a new language, the W4 Pro offers effortless translation with high accuracy. The accompanying app works with both iOS and Android devices, allowing you to manage translations and settings with ease. Compact, efficient, and powerful, the Timekettle W4 Pro is the perfect solution for breaking down language barriers in any setting. The Amazon Echo Show 8, newest model in Glacier White, is an advanced AI-powered Alexa device designed to elevate your smart home experience. Featuring spatial audio, it delivers rich, immersive sound, making it perfect for music, video calls, and more. The built-in Smart Home Hub lets you control compatible devices, from lights to thermostats, with just your voice. With an 8-inch HD display, you can easily view videos, photos, and even make video calls. Whether you're asking Alexa for a quick answer, managing your smart home, or enjoying your favorite content, the Echo Show 8 is a stylish and powerful addition to any space. The OBSBOT Tail Air NDI streaming camera is a 4K AI-powered PTZ camera with intelligent app control and gesture recognition. It supports HDMI, USB-C, and wireless connections, making it perfect for live streaming on YouTube, church services, worship events, or content creation. With AI tracking and versatile connectivity, it delivers professional quality video for any setting. The MSI Claw is a powerful handheld gaming PC with an Intel Ultra 7 processor, 8-inch FHD 120Hz display, 32GB RAM, and 1TB SSD. Offering long battery life, Windows 11, and AI-powered performance, it's designed for seamless gaming on the go. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, 40mm, Bluetooth AI smartwatch is your ultimate wellness companion. Powered by Galaxy AI, it features an energy score, personalized wellness tips, heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, and a fitness tracker to help you stay on top of your health. With its sleek design and advanced features, it's perfect for anyone looking to optimize their fitness and overall well-being in 2024. The Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers powerful suction and matrix clean navigation for deep, thorough cleaning. Its precision home mapping ensures efficient coverage, while the self-emptying HEPA base holds 30 days of debris. With hands-free control, pet-friendly features, and up to 120 minutes of runtime, it makes whole home cleaning effortless. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos featuring the coolest gadgets.